here I am with another day of making it myself. I just ran out of peanut butter yesterday. I sometimes will buy it as long as it's organic. Peanuts are a GMO crop generally nowadays, so you have to be careful with peanuts. And so I buy it organic if it's on sale, and if not, I buy organic nuts and make my own. And I prefer to use a cashew butter or some type of other soft nut butter. And this blend I'll be making is actually a mixture of cashew and Brazil nuts. I've been making my milk with that, and since I ran out of nut butter, I thought I would use the rest of those up and make some nut butter, homemade nut butter. So I'm going to show you how I do that right now. So there, now you can see how I made fresh, homemade, organic cashew Brazil nut butter, and I added some extra super nutritious stuff to it. You can make it with anything: walnuts, cashews, peanuts. I really like using Brazil nuts. They have a lot of nutrition, and cashews and Brazil nuts both blend up really easily and soft. I like them for the milk because I don't have to strain the liquid from the nuts. It blends all the way up, so I don't have to do any straining with those. So the cashew and Brazil nuts are really good for me to do. I used to do almond, but you have to do a lot of straining for the almond with carpal tunnel. That's difficult for me. So I switched to cashew. It's a lot creamier anyway, so it's really good. Sometimes I make oat milk also, which is easy, but my preference is cashew. So this time I made cashew Brazil nut butter, so I can use that as a nut butter. I have dental issues, so I have difficulty eating nuts any other way. So a nut butter is great. So I hope you enjoyed the video on how to do that. These are the ways that I make things homemade with on a budget. I did invest in some small kitchen appliances. Most of my appliances actually are secondhand. The ones that are new were gifts. So yeah, I figure out how to do everything on a budget, and so it's actually less expensive for me to make stuff myself than to go to the store. So if you think about the gas, the wear and tear on your vehicle, the time, and these days the risk of whatever new disease is supposed to be out there, you save a lot. Save on stress. And then you know what's in your foods, you know what ingredients are in there. You don't have to wonder, ingredients that you can't understand. And that's the trick. When I go shopping, if I look at a label and I don't know what it says in the ingredients, that means there's stuff in there that I don't understand, and my body probably will not either. So be careful and read your labels, and if you don't know what an ingredient is, it's probably something artificial and not as good for you as whole, fresh, organic. So there's that. So I hope you enjoyed the nut butter video.